Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then select Edit button right next to the delete one and change wherever you wish to. When you're ready, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!